This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook an egg in your ramen. Adding an egg can elevate your meal, making it more satisfying and flavorful. You can achieve various textures, from a runny yolk to a firm one, depending on your preference. We will cover several easy methods to ensure your ramen experience is truly delicious. Let's dive into the simplest approach first. For a classic soft-boiled egg with a beautiful jammy yolk, start by boiling water. Gently place a cold egg into the rolling boil. Cook it for precisely 6 to 7 minutes. Afterward, immediately transfer the egg to an ice bath to halt the cooking process. This ensures a perfect texture. Peel it carefully under cool, running water before adding it to your hot ramen. A poached egg offers a delicate texture that blends wonderfully with ramen broth. Crack an egg into a small bowl. Bring a pot of water to a gentle simmer, adding about 1 teaspoon of vinegar to help the whites set. Carefully slide the egg into the simmering water. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes until the whites are firm but the yolk remains runny. Then, gently scoop it out. If you prefer a crispy edge, a fried egg is an excellent choice. Fry an egg in a separate pan with a little oil until the whites are set and the edges are slightly crispy. You can cook it sunny side up or over easy. Once your ramen is ready, simply place the fried egg on top. Garnish with fresh green onions, toasted sesame seeds, or a drizzle of chili oil for an extra kick. Enjoy your perfectly customized ramen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.